If your love for reptiles is off the charts, you're in the right place. Today we're talking alligators. Did you know there are only two types of alligators? Meet the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. The American alligator is the superstar of the swamps, stretching up to 15 feet long. Found in the southeastern United States, these guys love to bask in the sun and show off their pearly whites. On the other side of the globe, we have the Chinese alligator. These little guys max out at around 7 feet, but don't let their size fool you. Native to eastern China, they're critically endangered and love a good mud bath. So what sets them apart? It's all in the size, habitat, and those unique snouts. American alligators have broader snouts, perfect for crushing prey, while Chinese alligators have more pointed ones. And there you have it, two incredible types of alligators, each with their own set of fascinating traits. Subscribe for more wild facts.